Hi, I'm Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide, and I've got tax tips session. This is just general advice. If you need any further information on your specific circumstances, I recommend you speak to me personally or seek your own advice. My first tax tip is from the 1st of July 2012, you can actually get an immediate deduction for a motor vehicle purchase of $5,000. So it may actually be worthwhile deferring your motor vehicle purchase till the 1st of July 2012. You can also receive from the 1st of July 2012 a 7K or $7,000 immediate deduction for other fixed assets. The remainder of the cost of these assets actually will go into your general pool depreciation deductions. Another quick tip is to defer any sales invoices if you can to July so that they go into next year and therefore reduce this year's profit. You can also write off any bad debts or write off stock to reduce this year's profit as well. Therefore, I often check people's depreciation schedules and find that there are assets on there which are no longer held by the business or in commission by the business. So make sure your depreciation schedule is right and make sure you've written off any no longer used assets. You can contribute to superannuation and pay instead of your marginal tax rate. If for instance you do a salary sacrifice, you can reduce your marginal tax rate from say 37% to paying only 15%, so that'll save you lots of money in tax. You can speak to your financial planner or tax agent further about your circumstances there. There are some limits to what you can do there in terms of amounts. I definitely would speak to your financial planner or tax agent if you're over 55 or over and you're approaching retirement. There are ways you can reduce your tax through superannuation mechanism there. You can also reduce your profits and therefore pay less tax by doing what's called accrual expenses. So for instance, if you've incurred expenses for wages but not actually paid them yet, say there's 3 days just before the 1st of July which you haven't yet paid the wages for, you can actually put them in as an expense, or for instance another major expense such as printing or packaging. The superannuation co-contribution paid by the government is still available. It has been reduced from the next year, 2013, but it is still currently available. If you need more details on the amounts and amounts at which it phases out for you, it will phase out for certain amounts. You can let me know and I can give you some more information on that. And another great way to reduce your tax is to buy an investment property, but some people don't exactly understand how that works. So if you want a little bit of a lesson on how negative gearing or how buying an investment property can actually reduce your tax and help you create wealth, I can go through that with you, and also look at how much it will actually cost you to invest in property after the benefits of some tax deductions that you get. So we can look at the net amount it will actually cost you and whether you can afford to actually invest in the investment property or not. So for more assistance, such as if you want specific information on seeing how much you can afford to, or how much it will cost you to invest in an investment property or any of the other deductions, I can give you some specific advice on your circumstance. You can call me, my name's Romeo, at Tax Accounting Adelaide, and my phone number is 088 337 4460, or you can visit our website which is taxaccountingadelaide.com.